Hello everyone, this is JV Gunner here, and recently I've seen people begging for Devilzcall's GLOCK, Blowback GLOCK mechanism, and since I already uploaded my ultimate blowback pistol, which works just like Devilzcall's GLOCK, but however my mechanism is not like his. Uh, so as something that I would like to give back for you guys for your support, this will be a mechanism video of my ultimate blowback pistol. So here is the mechanism. Now this might look complicated, so we'll start with the lower receiver. There's two initial part, which is this, the trigger, and this piece right here. These two axles are connected by two gears. Ratio is 3:1. That means when this trigger moves, this thing will move 3 times faster. You can see everything here. This vertical piece block the black piece movement, so it will be the end of its movement right here, like that, so that the trigger cannot move anywhere. Now let's move on to this gray piece right here. Noticing that this thing is not fully connected to this part. It is just pivoting on it. And there's a rubber band that pulling it towards the black piece. Like that. Now we move on to the upper receiver. There's two important parts that you need to remember. Is that this thing, which will be the part that will be in touch with this L piece, and also there's this block piece, the gray piece right here. Now as we combine two of this part together, let me show you clearer footage. Okay, now let me demonstrate the blowback movement. Now you have to notice every part of the gun. Sorry. Reset. Like that. Again. Sorry, this piece is just fell down. Now, let me explain why does this gun work like that. Firstly, there's this piece here which is blocked by this white piece, and this thing is not fully connected to this thing, like the Jack Street Desert Eagle. That is not Jack Street Desert Eagle. Okay, so when this thing move, the trigger move, the black piece move as well, and it stores energy of the rubber band here. But however, this energy is not used right now because this thing is blocking this gray part until it is all the way down, letting the gray piece go. That is also the time when this L piece is moved and push the slide all the way further. Let me show it once again. Yeah. So yeah, that is my mechanism of the ultimate blowback pistol. If you have any questions, just comment below. And thanks for your support of my comeback recently. So yeah, goodbye. JV is out.